Excuse me, ma'am, this is a menu. Take your time. Please call me. Do you want to order? Yes, ma'am. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I want order one hot cappuccino and one omelette.
Okay, and your order, ma'am. One hot cappuccino and one omelette. Yes, this one. I'll be back with your order, ma'am. Please wait a moment.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. This is the order. One hot cappuccino and one omelette. Please enjoy your meal, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, ma'am. Can I help you?
I will pay, so can I get my bill, please?
Okay, I will take your bill. Wait a moment, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. This is your bill. Do you pay with cash or card?
Cash, please.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Please wait a moment. I will process your bill.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. This is your script and your change.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Nice day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hello guys, today I will mention type of product available in supermarket. The first, food, there are bread, milk, soft drink, snack, ice cream, and so on. The second, non-food, there are shampoo, soap, detergent, perfume, makeup, and so on.